So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Zanussi dishwasher not draining, filter clean, pump check and reset steps. So why Zanussi dishwasher not draining? If your Zanussi dishwasher is not draining, it usually means there's a blockage, pump issue or drain hose problem. How to fix Zanussi dishwasher not draining? So the steps are water sitting at bottom, clogged filter, then humming noise but no drain, blocked or failed pump, then slow draining, hose or sink clog, no sound at drain stage, electrical pump failure. So the fixes are clean the filter, most common cause, turn off and plug off the dishwasher, then open the door and remove the bottom rack, then twist and lift out the cylindrical filter, then rinse it under warm running water. Clean the sump area hole underneath. Reinstall the filter securely. Food debris blocks water flow into the drain pump. If water can't reach the pump, it stays at the bottom of the dishwasher. Second fix is check the drain hose for blockage or kinks. If the hose is blocked or twisted, water cannot exit the machine, causing pooling at the bottom. Turn off and unplug the dishwasher. Locate the drain hose under the sink. It connects from the dishwasher to the sink drain or waste trap. Check the hose position. It must not be longer than 4 meter. The hose outlet should be positioned 40 to 85 cm above the floor. Make sure it is not that low. So inspect the hose for kinks or twist. Straighten any bends. Replace the hose if damaged or crushed. Disconnect the hose carefully from the sink trap. Place a towel or bucket underneath to catch water. Check for blockage inside the hose end. Remove any food debris or dirt. Rinse or flush water through the hose to clear internal buildup. If newly installed, check for the blanking plug. Remove the plastic plug inside the sink trap connection before reconnecting the hose. Reconnect the hose securely and ensure it is properly tightened. Plug the dishwasher back in and run a short cycle to test draining. So the third fix is inspect the sink drain. Garbage disposal. Run the kitchen sink. If it drains slowly, clear that first. If connected to a garbage disposal, ensure the knockout plug was removed. Check the dishwasher air gap and clean it. The dishwasher drains through the sink plumbing if the sink is blocked. Water backup into the dishwasher. So the fourth fix is check the drain pump. Disconnect power. Remove the lower front panel or access panel. Locate the drain pump. Check for debris blocking the impeller. If the pump makes humming noise but doesn't spin, it may need replacement. The drain pump pushes water out. If blocked or faulty, water cannot drain even if hoses are clear. So the fifth fix is run a reset cycle. Turn off the dishwasher, unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes, plug it back in. Then start a short cycle and cancel after a few minutes to trigger drain. Sometimes electronic control glitches prevent to drain cycle from activating, resetting, restoring proper control operation. So when to call service? Call professionals for repair. Pump does not make any sound. You see error codes. Water keep returning after cleaning everything. The appliance is under warranty, or you cannot Zanussi customer support by calling their number, joining their WhatsApp chat, or using the online chat support on their official website. Thank you.